During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SAME, that is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarmable NWR radios monitoring the station, SAME allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, and commercial radio and television. For more information regarding the SAME program, contact your local National Weather Service office.
Now waiting on TBW.
The 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of a public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida and transmitters in the Florida originating from Western Florida. Also a test of the same encoder. The same system will alert all county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Right.
Chance of rain 60%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with showers.
And now return TBW 42 minutes from away that test.
Cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows around 7.
And we're still waiting on them.
Chance of rain 60%. Sunday through Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s.
lows in the lower 70s.
Although there is a big chance of probability of severe weather season, then eventually they might not test.
A chance of showers.
Of course, y'all know that TBW did not even test due to them issuing a bunch of SVRs for Levy County about over 2 hours ago. So, however, I did get something else from Melbourne this time.
Seas 2 to 3 feet.
Okay, folks.
Period 7 seconds.
I really never thought that this would ever happen, but
Slight chance of
I really don't like catching KI's 26 on the stream, but
10 to 15
I sincerely kind of feel like I have to do it, but
midnight. Seas 2 to 3.
however, we're going to get this 6 p.m. OWT done anyways. Here we go. I can't get WWG 59 or WXK 83 since TBW did not even test due to them issuing SPR County. So that's why TBW canceled their 6 p.m. test. So I used KIH 26 as a substitute. Yeah, so I have to use KIH 26 as a substitute.
Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarms are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH 26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH 63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ 70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF 69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. We now return to the regular broadcast program.
Well, this KIH 26 is a new station found. Although this is definitely not something I was supposed to be doing, but we obviously did not plan on counting KIH 26 stream as an EAS alert, since I won't be able to catch that because it was too far. Because I know Daytona Beach is too far from me, so I'll just have to go ahead and count it anyways, because like I said before, TBW did not even test at 6 p.m. because they ended up canceling it due to them issuing SVRs and SPSs for Levy County. That happened like over 2 hours ago. So that's why I have to use KIH 26 as a substitute. Well, guess that's gonna be it.